Hello students, we are doing chapter number 1, rational and irrational numbers, exercise 1.1. In last video we have done till question number 4 and now we are starting from question number 5. Insert 3 rational numbers between 4 and 4.5. So first we will take one number between 4 and 4.5. To find out that number we will add these two numbers and divide by 2. So we will get one in between number 8.5 by 2 and after division we will get 4.25. So this 4.25 is in between 4 and 4.5. In between 4.25 is there. Now again one more number we will find out between these two number and another number between these two number. So a rational number between 4 and 4.25, we will add these two number and divide it by 2. So 8.25 divided by 2, we will get 4.125. Similarly, we will find out a rational number between 4.25 and 4.5, which is equal to 4.25 plus 4.5 divided by 2. 8.75 divided by 2 and after division we will get 4.375. So these are the three numbers which will come between 4 and 4.5. So 4, then 4.125, then 4.5 and 4.375. Next question number 6. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 we can write as 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. For these two number denominator is same and numerator are in continuity 3 and 4. So for such type of questions we will multiply with the next number. We have to insert 6. It means we will multiply these number up and down by 7. So to insert 6 numbers, multiply numerator and denominator with 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So we will get 3 by 1 into 7 by 7 and 4 by 1 into 7 by 7. So here 3 7 21 by 7 and second number we have 4 7 28 by 7. Now in between 21 and 27 we can insert 6 number. So numbers are, after 21 we will get 22 by 7, then 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. Next question number 7. Insert 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So in this case already denominator is same and numerator is in continuity 3 and 4. So to insert 5 number we will multiply with 6 up and down. So first number will become 3 by 5 into 6 by 6 and second number 4 by 5 into 6 by 6. So 3 into 6 18 by 30 and second number is 4 into 6 24 by 30. So the numbers will be, after 18 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30 and few numbers we can change into simplest form also. Like in second one we can cancel 0 and 0. In this one we can cancel 3 7 and 3 10 times and here we can cancel 2 11 and 2 15 times. So these number will reduce to 19 by 30, 2 by 3, 7 by 10, 11 by 15 and 23 by 30. Next question number 8. Find 10 rational number between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 7. So first we will make denominator same. To make denominator same, we have to take LCM. LCM is here 35. So both the denominator we have to make 35. So first one we will multiply with 7 up and down, and second number we will multiply with 5 up and down. So we have here minus 14 by 35 and second number 5 by 35. Now denominator is same and numerator we will check. You can see minus 14 and minus 5. So between minus 14 and minus 5 we have minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. So many rational numbers are there, and we have to insert here 10 rational numbers. So any 10 number we can write here. Therefore 10 rational numbers are minus 13 by 35, minus 12 by 35, minus 11 by 35, minus 10 by 35, minus 9 by 35, minus 8 by 35, minus 7 by 35, minus 6 by 35, minus 5 by 35 and minus 4 by 35. Any 10 numbers we can write here, and wherever it is possible we can reduce them into the simplest form. We can write minus 13 by 35. Second one we cannot cancel, so write as it is. Third one also we cannot cancel. Fourth one we can cancel with 5 table, 5 2s are and 5 7s are. This one as it is. Then next one also we cannot cancel. This we can cancel, minus 1 by 5. This is as it is, and this we can cancel, minus 1 by 7 and 4 by 35. Next question number 9. Find 6 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So first we will make denominator same. For 2 and 3 LCM will come 6. It means both the denominator we have to make 6. First number we can multiply with 3 up and down, and second number we can multiply with 2. Then we will get 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Now denominator is same and numerator is in continuity, and we have to insert here 6 number. So to insert 6 number, multiply numerator and denominator with 6 plus 1 or with 7. So we will get here 3 by 6 into 7 by 7 and 4 by 6 into 7 by 7. After multiplication we will get 21 by 42 and 28 by 42. So in between numbers are 22 by 42, then 23 by 42, 24 by 42, 25 by 42, 26 by 42, 27 by 42, and wherever possible we can change into simplest form. This we will get 11 by 21. Second one we cannot cancel, so as it is. Third one we can cancel with 6 table, 6 4s are and 6 7s are. Fifth one we cannot cancel. This we can cancel 13 by 21, and this we can cancel 3 9s are and 3 14 times. So 9 by 14. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.